Good students, in today's video, we will discuss about 8th grade computer chapter 1 exercise part. Prior to that, we have completed exercise discussion. So, exercise chapter 1 is introduction to networking. So, let's start with exercise part. It is your page number. As per your book, it is page number 12. So, as per the exercise, first question is your multiple choice question. And first question is a computer network that covers a large geographical area such as a city, a country, or span even intercontinental distances using a communication channel is dash. The answer will be WAN. It's a wide area network that is covering even your city, country, or even outside your country. It means in an international area also. So the answer is WAN. Second, creation of network is known as dash. Option server networking standalone computer. The answer is networking because server is the service provider system. Standalone computer is not a part of network. So the process is known as networking. Man cover area up to dash 10 kilometer, 50 or 1000 kilometer. A metropolitan area network can cover up to 50 kilometer distance. Internet is an example of dash. It's example of WAN. Basically, the example of WAN is internet and WAN represents wide area network. How many types of network topologies are there? Options 2, 3 or 4. As per your syllabus, 3 types of topologies we are studying: bus, ring and star. Question number 6. In dash topology, each computer is connected to neighboring computer to form closed circuit. In a ring topology, your one computer is connected to the previous computer and connected to the next computer. So one computer is connected to the two neighboring computer system. Next is this refers to the physical layout of networks, computer and links. Options are networking, network security or topology. Basically, topology will present the physical layout or structure of network, how you have designed the network, how computers are connected. Cable television is an example of which type of network. Options are WAN, MAN or LAN. It's a MAN network. MAN represents metropolitan area network that covers a complete city. So the answer is MAN. In dash topology, each computer is connected to a single cable. Options are bus, star or ring. In a bus topology, a single wire is used to connect the group of computers, and if number of computers will be more, then your wire system will become failure. But generally, a single wire is used to connect all the systems. A computer connected to network is known as. Options are star, server or node. A computer which is connected to a network is known as node, and which is not connected to the computer system or network is known as standalone computer. Next is short answer question. What is computer network? Computer networks mean connecting computer electronically to allow sharing of resources. So resources can be shared, and interconnected computers form the computer network. What are the different type of network? We are having three types of network: LAN, MAN and WAN. LAN full form local area network, MAN is metropolitan area network and WAN is wide area network. What is network security? Network security is basically concerned with making you sure that what you are using, that is done by the authorized user. It means that unauthorized person cannot read or modify message intended for other recipients. It means unauthorized person is not liable to read or modify the message. That is network security. Mention three types of topology. Three topologies are bus, star and ring topology. Bus topology, basically they are connected by a single wire. Star topology, each computer system is connected through a central computer, and in ring topology each computer is connected to its two neighbors. We will see in diagram also later on. Now long answer question. Explain the advantages of computer networking. Computer networking has so many advantages. We are discussing 4 points. First point is sharing the resources. It helps to share the resources like computer hardware devices and software tools. And it also helps to create the backup. It means we can store data for future. So data storage on server as a backup. Third, cost reduction. It's also reduce the cost by sharing the hardware and software. So it will reduce the hardware and software cost. And communication, it's a best medium to communicate via using email, chatting or video conferencing. Explain different types of network with diagram. Basically, there are three types of network: LAN, MAN and WAN. LAN represents local area network. It limit to a particular building or a office, and the maximum range for LAN is 500 meters. And MAN is metropolitan area network. It covers up to 50-kilometer distance. And WAN is a wide area network in which there is no network foundation. There is no network structure distance foundation. It covers largest geographical area through a public network like telephone network. Explain different networking topologies. We are using three types of network topologies. First one is bus, second ring and third is star. Each device is connected through a single cable in case of bus topology. Each device is connected to the neighboring system in ring topology, and each device is connected with central computer system in case of star topology. Now part D, it's a fill up. Networking means dash computer electronically allowed to sharing of resources. It means connecting the computer electronically to allow sharing of resources. A computer connected to a network is known as dash. It can be known as workstation or node. So we can write node also, we can write workstation also. There are mainly dash type of topologies in LAN network. There are three types of topology in LAN network: bus, star and ring. Next is library network uses dash topology for access to the resources. Library network uses the bus topology for accessing to the resources. And network security covers variety of computer networks, both dash and dash. So network security covers both type of computer systems that are either public or private. A network can improve your work by increasing dash, lowering dash, by increasing the productivity of your work and reducing the cost. And MAN stands for metropolitan area network. And in in dash topology, each computer is directly linked to a central computer. It is a star topology in which computer is directly connected to a central computer system. Next is E part, true and false. A standalone computer is one which is not connected to any network. True it is. Networking is only used for sharing resources. Yes, true. There are four types of network. It is false. Networks are of three types. WAN stands for wide area network. Yes, it is a wide area network. And wireless network allows network to deploy without cabling. Yes, true it is. Now in second part, that is true or false. It can be false if we are using only word. But in this session, networking is only used for sharing resources. It is false. If it is written that networking is used for sharing resources, then it is true. So we can make it correct. It is your false answer. Sixth, network security is the unauthorization of access data in a network. Yes, it is false. It is false because it doesn't provide the unauthorization of access data. Topology refers to sharing of computer network. False. And ring topology forms a closed circuit. Yes, true it is. It creates a closed circuit. Now when you will see the long answer question, it was written explain different type of network with diagram. So I have prepared the diagram at the last of your chapter. See here. So you have to prepare this diagram in this format. So question number 2 diagram is related to the different type of network. It is LAN, MAN and WAN. And question number 3 was related to the topologies. These are the diagrams of topology, bus, ring and star topology. So in this session we have covered about the exercise part of chapter 1. In next video we will meet with the next part. Thank you. Have a nice day. If you are having any doubt, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. It's 999 111 8890. Thank you so much.